So I'm about to have... I'm about to have my leftover Indian because I didn't... Oh my God, this skirt is... skirting. Anyway, so I had some breakfast this morning and then I thought I've got that rest of that Indian curry, that I didn't... Oh my God, look at my face. I'm not being funny, right? I used that, I'm actually use the rest of this because I haven't actually got anything else. And I'm not going shopping because I'm going away, remember? So, I thought I would get some of this and just have this now. I had a little breakfast this morning. We went out for breakfast. So I had like just a standard breakfast and now I feel a bit peckish. What time is it? 4:45. I always feel like a breakfast literally clears you up, fills you up. Oh my God. Oh God. With mayonnaise and cheese. Do you know what it is? It was so spicy. Well, it wasn't so spicy, but it was spicy. Mayonnaise just takes it out of it. I don't care what anyone says, but most food the next day tastes good. Anyway, guys, what have you done up to today? I've been busy, because obviously I'm away tomorrow. I'm trying to do everything. I've got my coconut rum, my copper bags, and my pink gin. So I'm fine. No, I'm joking. But yeah, no, I've just got to pack, basically. That tastes a bit weird. By the way, this didn't have cut cheese in it. If you watched the video yesterday, you would have seen it didn't have cheese in it. It's really good. Is it criminal to put cheese in Indian? So we had this last night, and I had it with a quinoa naan. Quinoa naan. This is delicious. Anyway, it's been so sunny today. Obviously, I'm going to be away. Ice cream Sally. I just love it. The sun just makes it all better. However, I do like the winter. I'm not going to lie. Oh, I need to do something with this burning situation. Honestly, this is that nick stuff that I had on my face. You know that butter glaze? Anyway, have a good day.